How to delete YouTube channel. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can delete YouTube channels, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to actually delete your YouTube channel, go to studio.youtube.com. Then once you're inside Studio, you want to simply go to settings from the bottom left. From settings over here, you want to simply go to channel, then go to advanced settings. Under advanced settings, you want to scroll down. You can see the option called remove YouTube content. Make sure to simply click on that option that says remove YouTube content. It'll ask you to verify it, so first of all make sure to verify your account and click on the next option. Then it will ask you for a couple of information as to what kind of accounts that you want to delete. You can select I want to permanently delete my content. Then once you've done that, you will see everything that will get deleted: your subscriptions, your playlist, any paid subscriptions, and this also includes all the subscribers and comments. Then you can just click on the delete my content option. This way you will be able to delete YouTube channel. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.